back here with the Audi A4 2003 wagon. It's got some upgrades, a nice tune, modified. The suspension, we're going to be redoing the whole suspension, put all brand new arms, tie rods, and everything up in the front. Upgrade the Brembo brakes with the stainless steel braided brake lines, and doing a height adjustment. After the car, it's been settled a little bit more. Now we want to go up just about a little bit, half inch, and realign it. We're finishing up the suspension on the Audi. We like to tighten everything with wrenches and ratchets, all by hand. No impacts.
It's been modified and it looks pretty good.
We got the ECS tuning. Cross-drilled two-piece rotors. These are humongous. We got some powder-coated calipers coming, Brembo. Similar to the, I believe it's on the Audi S4. Once those get back, and we'll throw those on there. Audi A4 here. We got the rollers on right now. We're waiting for the special wheels we ordered from TSW. Because of this COVID-19 going on right now, we're a little bit behind on the shipping. This thing, we've got a dyno right around close to 500 right now. So hopefully we can get some more power out of it. Stay tuned.
watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Also find us on all social media platforms. We got Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Make sure to follow us, Barbarian Motorsports. Have a nice day.